researcher. Thank you so much for that wonderful.
Uganda's 2016 Demographic and Health Survey found that the average household size in the country is 4.5 members. Of these, 77% of Uganda's population is under 25 years of age, while 31% of households are headed by women. Before the pandemic, a number of families had virtually been lost in modernization and individualization. The emergency of COVID-19 has reportedly worsened with the number of crises developing in particular families.
A study conducted in Uganda and Kenya in mid-2020 around the implications of COVID-19 disease on household incomes and food security found that over two-thirds of the respondents, over two-thirds of 420 that were interviewed had income shocks due to the COVID-19 crisis.
You have heard about how many young girls were not able to go back to school for the exams because they were pregnant. This was because the families lost control over them and they were living on their own or conducted themselves according to their peers. So all these were effects of COVID. Yes, they were there, but I think they were exacerbated by the inability to provide, inability to manage children, the schools where parents had put their children were no longer available. So all these were challenges that came with the COVID-19.
However, the pandemic too has created opportunity for families to bond more, which was not the case before.
Talk to any family in Uganda today about COVID-19 period and especially the lockdown, they will tell you, I learned that my children are the most important. I learned that my wife or my husband is the most important person.
The former Speaker of Parliament, Rebecca Kadaga, cautioned families to adapt to the new normal.
I think we need now to learn how to coexist with the pandemic. I just want to urge our people to get vaccinated when the opportunity comes, but also to continue observing the standard operating procedures.
Kadaga is optimistic that the recently passed bills like the Sexual Offence Bill that criminalizes marriages involving children and other sexual offences against children and women will help save many families. Raymond Tamale, NTV.